Did you know you can sell AI as a service to local businesses without writing a single piece of code or spending hours learning a brand new platform? And you can do all of this inside of Gohighlevel. There are some really cool AI tools that you can plug straight into someone's business that can solve many of their problems. Some of those AI tools include Voice AI, which can answer calls and book appointments for people, Reviews AI, which automatically responds to the responses coming in from Google reviews, then Funnel AI, which builds funnels in just seconds, Chat AI, which responds to leads 24/7, and even Workflow AI, which can help you build smarter automations without the guesswork. You can imagine the massive problems and expenses that this could solve for local businesses. You can sell them individually to dentists, med spas, plumbers, or you can bundle them together and get them set up for the new age of business. AI as a service is such a cool way to bring value to businesses. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the different possibilities and AI tools that you can then go ahead and plug into the local businesses. So what you'll need is a Gohighlevel account. Once you're inside and you're inside your sub account, then come down to AI agents. Once you do that, you'll see that you're in Voice AI, where you can create your first voice agent. This is where you'll be able to configure the agent's details, change the voice as well. So you can see here it's currently selected as Jessica. And if I click on play,
My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
that's where you'll see a quick preview of what Jessica would sound like. And then once you're happy, you just click on next, where you can then create a knowledge base. If you do not have a knowledge base, you just click on create, where all you have to do is upload your website URL, click on get data. It will then scrape all the information from your website and use that information to then train the knowledge base or put all the information on the knowledge base. Then if I come back to the agent and then go to agent goals, I can then select the knowledge base that I created. In this case, I'll just say plumbing. Then I can come down and even select the details that I want to be collected on that call. And then you can come on the right-hand side here and actually test the agent. So that's the first tool that is so valuable to local businesses. Another one is conversational AI. So if I come up to AI agents and then conversational AI, you can see I can create a conversation AI bot. If I click on create bot, I can choose from general Q&A, appointment booking, or I can start from scratch, which just allows you more flexibility to choose what you want the bot to do. So if I click on appointment booking, continue, I just have to give it a name. I can select on autopilot, choose the channel I want the bot to reply on, and then click on save. Then to train the bot now, all I have to do is come up to bot training. And then just like before, I just have to select the knowledge base that I want this bot to use when replying to leads that are coming in automatically. Once you've selected your knowledge base, you click on save. And again, on the right-hand side here, you can test the bot and configure it if you'd like. The next really cool tool is the AI funnels. If you come over to sites, up to funnels, click on new funnel, you can see you can create a funnel with AI. So click on it, give it a name, select the industry. I'm going to say accountant, give it a silly name and click on next. Then you can choose the preference of the funnel, such as I want the business to generate more leads or get more appointments or showcase my services. You can then select how the content should feel. So if I want my website to be friendly, then I will click friendly. And you can see the other options here too. Then all I have to do is click on generate and it will start building the funnel. This is really cool because it automatically builds the funnel, not just for website view, but also mobile view. And it takes just a few seconds. And there we go. It takes me straight into the website editor, writing really good and persuasive copy for me. And it gives me an excellent place to start out and then modify if needed, and then go straight and click on publish. The next tool is the Reviews AI. All you have to do is come to reputation, come up to reviews, and this is where you'll see all the reviews that are coming in. This is a test account, so I don't have any. But if I come over to settings, this is where I can configure the Reviews AI bot. So you can select it as auto response, which just means that once somebody leaves a review on the Google page, then the bot will automatically respond and maybe thank them. And just below here is where you can select the wait time before responding. In this case, I just wanted to respond after 2 minutes from the original response. And then all I would have to do is come over here and click on create agent, where I can choose from a whole bunch of different personalities and then adjust it if need be, as well as the review source. And then once I'm happy with that, I just click on save. Then finally, the workflow AI. So if I come over to automation in the bottom left, click on create workflow. Let's say I'm going to start from scratch. Then you'll see in the bottom left corner now, if I click on this purple button, the workflow AI can actually help you build the automation. All you have to do is type in the prompt or what your goal is with this automation. For example, I just clicked on analyze the workflow, but since I don't have anything here, it suggests that I must first create a contact and then update the contact field and then add a contact tag and so on. And then if I scroll down to the bottom here, the suggested actions to add, I can actually click on it here. For example, the email one, it tells me to select a position that I must add the email action. So I'm going to click over here and you'll see it will automatically add that email action into the workflow. So when I click on save, you'll see now the email action has automatically populated. So you can see how these AI tools can be super valuable for a local business, whether you're studying them individually or bundling them all together. AI as a service is a really cool business model where the heart of it is providing real value. If you would like to start AI as a service, then go ahead and get Gohighlevel today.